air fryer shrimp fajitas. This is a fantastic, easy air fryer recipe, and all you have to do is load the ingredients in the bowl, toss in seasoning and throw in the air fryer. Even better, it uses frozen shrimp or frozen prawns, making it even easier for you. Hello, my name is Samantha and I'm from the blog recipethis.com and also the voice behind the Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. Today, myself and my husband, who will be behind the camera, will be showing you the easiest of the easy, healthy air fryer and instant pot recipes that are ideal for beginners to instant pot and air fryers, but want something healthy that is just ridiculously easy to do and just perfect for when you're starting out with your new kitchen gadgets. And of course, this is part of our project of healthy instant pot and air fryer recipes. And don't forget to comment below with which kitchen gadgets you have, and also to subscribe to our channel and join our mailing list over at recipethis.com/newsletter, as we do have some amazing Learn Your Air Fryer and Learn Your Instant Pot courses to help you get you started on your kitchen gadgets journey. So let's talk fajitas. So starting off with the fajitas, it's all about the mixed peppers, or you might call them bell peppers. What I like colourful fajitas, so I like a mixture of yellow, green and red peppers. So let's start by chopping up the peppers. I always think of this as the only bit of work when you're making fajitas, because you can use already diced and sliced prawns, chicken, beef. If you are doing beef or chicken, what I recommend you do is when you're grocery shopping is that you go with the stroganoff. So whenever you see some stroganoff on deals in the supermarket, such as beef stroganoff slices or chicken stroganoff slices or even pork, go and grab some, as it's ideal for cooking in the air fryer. There's the red and the yellow, so last we have the green. If you are on a low-calorie diet, such as the 5-2 diet, note that green peppers carries the lowest of the calories out of the peppers. So you could actually do just a green pepper fajitas. So then, once they're all sliced and off the core, you can nicely slice them ready. Like this. I don't know about you, but my favourite is red peppers. I absolutely love the taste of them. Do drop in the comments below which is your favourite pepper, because I would love to know. Or do you use a spicy pepper in your fajitas? Because it could be done if you wanted it to. So, as you can see, we're getting along. If you have any little bits of seed, you can just pull them off and then put them to one side. My go-to lunch in the air fryer for when the kids are at school is shrimp fajitas. What I will do is I will slice a batch of peppers like this, and then I will add in frozen prawns, and it's just ideal. It's just a quick lunch, and it's not an effort either, because the prawns are already cooked and then frozen. You're literally using the air fryer to reheat the prawns. So there's the red ones coming along nicely. This is quite a big batch, of course. You know, if there's just you probably want to do about half of this amount. Or let's say you've got lots of leftovers in the fridge. You could just use your odds and ends from the peppers that haven't been eaten during the week, and maybe do them the night before grocery shopping. You know, you can also add in some onions. I haven't added any onions in this time because I've got quite a lot of peppers, and considering my husband doesn't like them, you know, there's quite a lot of food here. So there's the mixed peppers. So if you just want vegetables, as in you just want the fajita style peppers in the air fryer. You can stop at this point, season them up and air fry them without having to actually add in any meat whatsoever. So you've got your peppers in the bowl, and to make shrimp fajitas, the easiest way to do it, like I've mentioned already, is to use frozen shrimp. So let me show you the shrimp that we actually use. This we buy from the kind of macro, which is like a cash and carry, a bit like Costco, and we buy it in big bags of frozen shrimp, and it's already been peeled, it's pre-cooked, so all you're doing is reheating it in the air fryer, but obviously it's a lot healthier than other things you can reheat in the air fryer. So after you've done that, add some salt, pepper if you want some pepper on yours. I like a little bit of pepper. I always buy it already ground. And then of course, fajita seasoning or Cajun seasoning or Mexican seasoning, any one of these will work well with shrimp fajitas. I live in Portugal and getting fajitas seasoning is non-existent, so I tend to use Cajun seasoning instead, or I pay extra to get fajitas, but Cajun's cheaper, so it's up to you what you actually use. And then once you've added it all in, give it a quick mix in the bowl. Excuse the noise, it's because the shrimp's frozen. And then once you've done that, it's ready to go in the air fryer. So, put your shrimp fajitas in the air fryer, and then it's ready to air fry. I should point out that from the portion size, this is ideal for one person just for lunch. Dominic hates shrimp and peppers, so it's what I have when he's having something that I don't like. So it's just perfect for a quick lunch. So, place it in the air fryer. And then you want to make sure the time's set to 180 Celsius, 360 Fahrenheit, and the time is set to 8 minutes. You will find that some air fryers differ slightly. I find that my more powerful ones take 7 minutes and some others take 9 minutes. So I recommend you start with 7, have a look to see how it's coming along, and then adjust your time. And then start. So let's check on our shrimp fajitas, shall we? So there they are, perfectly cooked shrimp fajitas in the air fryer. Note that we've been doing recipes back to back for you today, so our air fryer was actually preheated. So that means the shrimp has shrunk a little bit compared to if you were doing it and following our recipe timings. So if you are preheating your air fryer, do knock a minute off the cook time. Enjoy! So please comment below with which bread maker and air fryer you have at home in your kitchen. Here in the Milners, we have just a cheap bread maker that we got from Amazon Germany that we had shipped to us, and we also use the Philips Air Fryer XL, which we've had for a few years now. And if you are into air fryers and bread makers, do head over to recipethis.com, as we have a lot of recipes for you to choose from there, and all the recipes that we're mentioning in these videos you can find over there too. Thanks for watching. We have a huge collection of kitchen gadget recipes including air fryer, instant pot, slow cooker, soup maker and many others. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media. Best of all, join our newsletter at recipethis.com/newsletter. There we have plenty of printables, cooking time cheat sheets, free ebooks and mini courses to help you along your way in your kitchen gadgets journey.